Olympic-level fitness offers absolutely no protection against altitude sickness. In fact, fit hikers often push too hard and get sick faster. At 3,000 meters, you aren't breathing less oxygen, but there is significantly less pressure pushing that oxygen into your blood. Every breath delivers roughly 30% less effective oxygen than at sea level, forcing your heart and lungs to work overtime just to keep you moving. This leads to the biggest mistake intermediate hikers make, assuming your gym cardio translates to high-altitude tolerance. It doesn't. Your body's ability to acclimatize is genetic and largely unrelated to your VO2 max. Acute mountain sickness, or AMS, feels like a terrible hangover, throbbing headache, nausea, and fatigue. If you ignore these early warnings, you risk progressing to life-threatening conditions where fluid fills your lungs or brain. The most effective defense is the climb high, sleep low strategy. You can hike up to a higher elevation during the day to trigger adaptation, but you must descend to a lower altitude to sleep. On the trail, your pace should feel frustratingly slow. If you can't hold a conversation, you are moving too fast. Combine this with aggressive hydration, because you lose water vapor through respiration twice as fast in the dry mountain air. Acetazolamide, known as Diamox, helps speed up acclimatization by altering blood acidity, but it is not a cure for active sickness. It must be taken preventatively, and it does not replace the need to descend if symptoms worsen. The moment you see ataxia, stumbling like you're drunk, or experience mental confusion, the hike is over immediately. These are signs of cerebral or pulmonary edema, and the only reliable treatment is immediate descent. Summit fever kills more hikers than technical terrain ever will. The mountain will be there next year, but only if you have the discipline to turn around when your body screams stop. Listen to your body, drop altitude, and hike another day.